I feel like every time I'm coming on here, I'm looking a fucking mess. And I'm sorry about that. But this is the opening of the vlog. Over the weekend, I went and looked for a car. I went to Toyota first, and I didn't have a pleasant experience. I went to the principal Toyota in Hernando, Mississippi, and it's hard to explain how I felt that whole entire time. To the point where I just left and went directly to Honda in South Haven, which I had an excellent time until they started playing with me a little bit and pushing things on me. But they did know that I was standing my ground, and they turned around for the better. So I ended up purchasing with them with a better rate and everything. Because it's something that I was not going to buy a car until I got the exact car that I wanted with all the features that I wanted. Because I work from home. I need a car, but not really. But it's better for me being a mother to have a car just in case anything could happen. I live in Walls, which is kind of far from certain things. So, I need a car. But I was perfectly fine with, getting stuff prepared to fix the car that I already have. And it's already paid off. But if it was going to cost me upward to $1,000, I would rather just go ahead and get another car and fix that car later and just have it as extra. And I'm clicking a pen, by the way. I'm actually going over my budget to put in the car payments into my now budget. If you want to see budget videos from me, because I am a single mom of 2, so I can do that as well on my channel. I don't know if anybody that subscribed to me right now is interested in that, but if you are, please comment, rate, subscribe, everything you need to do down below, and let me know. But yeah, so I ended up going with a Honda. I was looking at the HRV. I was going to get a used car because I'm just tired. But I ended up getting a brand new one in the color that I always been looking at. I have this color of the car in my phone, and I look back at years ago. I've been screenshotting this same exact color over and over again, and it was always in an SUV, and I finally got it. So I'm going to insert a clip of my car. Her name is Vapor. She's so beautiful. And yeah. And I'll see you a little bit later in the week. I'm going out to the ramen shop that's in South Haven. And I might show you how I get ready with me. It might not be much. Because, yeah, it might not be much. The reason why I haven't put out a video, like a fashion video, is because everything's been delayed with everything that's going on in the government. I have not been getting my orders on time. Like, I still have not got my Shein order that I ordered a month ago. So that's what I'm waiting on, because that's my next video, is my Shein video. And then the one after that is plus size workwear for corporate. And I just been waiting on my stuff to come, because I have a spring dress, spring summer transition clothing haul that I want to do for Shein. I have my camera and everything set up. I'm just like, okay, can we not? So if I do show you a get ready with me, you will see it after I show you my car. I might speed it up, because I will sit here for like 2 hours and do my makeup when I don't have a time constraint. So I might have to speed it up. Hopefully I'll be in frame as well. So yeah. See you guys later. Hey everyone. I'm going to talk through this. So this is the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. It says apply and pat into skin and allow 30 seconds to absorb and activate the grip prior to makeup application. Okay. I'll use about that much. That should be enough for me. All right. Gonna let that sit. And I'm going to be using MAC Spiked Eyebrow Pencil.
You got sweated.
See that on the top as well?
I'll put that on. So, I haven't even had this car a full 30 days. And I moved into a new construction subdivision. And you know, it's still construction going on, but across the street from me, they're building some more houses. So it's stuff everywhere. So how about I leave out last night? As soon as I come out my driveway, my tire pops. I have a nail in my brand new tire. Luckily, I have an uncle who is very savvy with cars. I got it plugged. But who's supposed to pay? The homeowners association, the construction company? I don't know, but I called both.